Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, which is Sumit Hodar, with another job update. Today update is for technical and non-technical students in a Navratna company public sector enterprises under the Ministry of Steel, which is NMDC Limited. Before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more update. You can follow me in my social media, Facebook, Instagram for more updates. So now let's get started. NMDC is inviting online application from all eligible candidate for the upcoming coal mine, which is Tokisud North Coal Mine, Hazaribagh district and Jharkhand state, on the contract basis for maximum 3 years from the date of the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. So we'll look the number of posts, required qualification, experience and number of posts. So the first post is in executive grade. So the colliery engineer, which means those who work in the mining area, for them the number of vacancy is 1, and then qualification should be degree in engineering in mechanical and mining machinery, and they should have the post 7 years qualification experience in working experience in repair and maintenance of heavy earth and moving machinery. For liaising officer, the total number of vacancy is 2, and the qualification is PG degree, PG diploma in sociology, social work, labor welfare, personal management, IR, IRPM, HR, HRM or MBA of post qualification experience. And the third one is the vacancy is 1, and they should have degree in engineering in electrical and electronics from a recognized university, and they should also have minimum 4 years of post qualification. Fourth one is the mining engineer. The number of posts is 12, which is more compared to other, and the qualification should be degree in mining engineering from recognized university, and they should possess second class / first class manager certificate of competency under the CMR issued by DGMS for coal, and they should also have the 4 years of post qualifications. And the fifth one is surveyor, and the number of vacancy is 2. They should have the diploma in mining engineering or mines and mine surveying from a recognized university or institute, and they should also have the certificate of competency which is issued by the DGMS for coal under CMR 2017/CMR 2 years of post qualification experience. So these are the posts in the executive grade. And now we'll look for the post in the supervisory grade. In supervisory grade, the first one is for the electrical overman. The number of posts is 4, and they should have degree in electrical engineering, degree in electrical and electronics engineering, diploma in electrical and electronics from a recognized university or institute, and they should have for diploma holders minimum 5 years of post qualifications working experience in the coal mine in India. Number of posts is 4. Mine overman degree in mining engineering from a recognized institute, and total number of posts is 25, and they should have the diploma holders minimum 5 years of post qualification. Mechanical overman qualification degree in mechanical engineering, mining machinery. For surveyor, then total number of posts is 2, and the qualification should be diploma in mining engineering or mines and mine surveying from a recognized university, and holder of valid mine surveyor certificate of competency issued by DGMS or coal under CMR 2017 and CMR 1957, and they should also have 2 years of post qualification in the relevant area. And for the post in the supervisory grade, the first one is for the electrical overman, and the total number of posts is 4, and they should have degree in electrical engineering, degree in electronics and from recognized university. Even diploma also eligible in post qualification for diploma candidate in the post of electrical overman. And the second one is mine overman, and the total number of posts is 25, and degree in should be in mining engineering from recognized institute or reputed university. Second class manager certificate under CMR issued by the DGMS for coal / diploma in mining engineering, mechanical engineering machinery, or diploma in mechanical and mining machinery from a recognized university, and they should also have the 5 years of post qualification. This is for the diploma holders alone. And the post in the non executive grade. In that, first one is mine Sirdar, and total number of posts is 38. Qualifications should be 10th pass with the valid Sirdar certificate of competency issued by DGMS for coal, and valid first aid certificate issued by the St. John's Ambulance Association. Experience should be minimum 1 year of post qualifications in open cast coal mine. And the reservation as per the Government of India guidelines, and eligibility criteria is applicable for office in any of the required as mentioned at clause 2.1 above, which we explained. The candidate should be below 65 years of age for the employment, and the terms and condition of contract is the terms period of contract will be of maximum 3 years and can be extended based on their performance or company requirement. And remuneration for the post colliery engineer is 90,000 per month. For liaising officer 90,000 per month. Colliery engineer electrical 70,000. Mining engineer 70,000 per month. And supervisor overman 50,000, mine overman 50,000 per month. We'll look how to apply. So the candidate request www.nmdc.co.in. I repeat, www.nmdc.co.in. I'll put down this link in my descriptions, and I'll put down the PDF link also in my descriptions. Those who want to read it, you just go down in the description and read it carefully in details. And that, suppose if you go to the website of www.nmdc.co.in, in that there is a career page. You just click on it. You'll be getting the link for applying online, and the link is already activated from the 2nd of June, and the last date is 22nd of this month, means June 2021. And there is a helpline number also is there. If you have any queries, you can call to them between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Even you can put down your queries in my comment section. I will try to help you out. And you should have all the certificates with whichever things required for filling up in online. You just skip registration, and the mode of selection will be for the post of executive grade. The mode of selection of eligible applicant for various posts in executive cadre would be through interview. For executive grade, there will be interview, and for the post of supervisors and non-executives, the mode of selection will be in the 2 stages. The stage 1 is written test for the 100 marks, and for the stage 2 for supervisory skill test for supervisors alone, and for the skill test for the non-executive, which will be in the qualifying in nature. Remember that the marks obtained in the stage 2 will be not counted for final withdrawn of merit list. So your final merit list will be withdrawn out of 100 marks alone. So then after that, verification of document with originals. When you qualify, they will call you for the document verification. And in the last general condition, which is for NMDC, you to just read out these general conditions, and then if you feel you just eligible for this post, you just go ahead and apply it. So interested candidate, please fill out before the deadline. And if have any queries, you can drop your queries in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. So then I'm signing out until we meet again. Till then, bye bye.